Hi and welcome back to Lavender Coco Kitchen. Well, today I'm here with my daughter Sangeetha again.
Hi.
So we're going to feature one of your favourite ingredients today, and that's
Matcha.
Yeah. So we recently did a high tea featuring all different treats made with matcha. So today Sangeetha's going to show you her favourite drink.
Yeah. So we'll be making a matcha latte today.
Yeah, and as you'll see, it's a very easy drink to make and very refreshing any time of the day. And of course, matcha, if you don't know, is powdered green tea, and it's very high in antioxidants, helps boost immunity as well. And as you might know, it is quite high in caffeine, but I'm sure you've realised that it gives you more of an energy boost rather than making you anxious or jittery as coffee can do. Yeah, so is that why you probably choose to drink matcha over coffee?
Yeah, I mean, coffee just makes me really jittery and like a bit anxious. And I don't really get that with matcha. I guess because it's from a tea leaf, right?
Tea leaves. Yeah.
Yeah.
And tea is generally better than coffee anyway when it comes to caffeine. But of course, being powdered tea leaves, you're not just steeping it in water and throwing it away, you're actually eating the leaf.
Yeah.
So that's why you are getting more caffeine. But as you've experienced, it doesn't react in the body quite the same way as coffee does.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we'll let Sangeetha go ahead and show you how to make it.
So I'm just gonna make enough for one matcha latte right now. So we're gonna just put all the ingredients in a blender and just blend it all together. So I'm gonna start with 1.5 cups of almond milk. Next is the matcha powder. It's a really nice color. We just got this from sort of a health store which was selling it by the bag. So I'm gonna put in 1/2 tablespoon of that one. So it's a really nice color, and that's the pure matcha powder. Next is vanilla. So that's depending on your taste, like if you like more vanilla or you don't. So I'm gonna put in 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And lastly is maple syrup. So that's just a bit more sweetener. Depends if you like a strong matcha flavor or if you prefer it a bit sweeter. I like mine a bit sweeter. So I'm going to put in 2 teaspoons. But if you taste it later and you feel like you want more, then you can just add another teaspoon. And that's it. So all we have to do now is blend it.
Okay, so see, Sangeetha has made that lovely matcha latte, and of course it's delicious just like that. But if you want to make it a little more fancy or a bit more special for a special occasion, well, you can top it with whipped coconut cream. So I've just whipped up coconut cream and I've taken 1/2 of it out. So if you want to make something a little more fancy, you can add a bit of matcha powder to 1/2 of the cream, and then we can make a pipe topping that's 1/2 white and 1/2 green, and even tastier with that matcha powder in it. So Sangeetha, you can just go ahead and add some to there. So we have the green cream and the white cream and a piping bag with a fluted tube. So just place it over a cup just to make it easier to fill. So we're going to make one side white and one side green. So let's see if we can do this. So we'll just finish it off with a dusting of matcha powder. So as you can see, our piping bag got stuck. The coconut was a bit thick, but we still get a nice result at the end. Okay, so here we have the delicious matcha latte, and even though, well, it didn't go quite to plan with the topping, but you know, you just keep trying. And obviously, it's going to taste great anyway. And we made it look good in the end. So, how about you taste your nice creation here? How's that? Good?
It's good with the cream, actually.
Yeah, I think the cream actually adds another level of flavour to it, doesn't it? And even mixing the matcha into the cream
That's
too.
really good. It's like the perfect consistency.
Wow. Well, you did a good job there. So I'll leave it up to you now to enjoy the rest.
Okay, bye.
So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.